In this video, I want to share my experience using IQ Blast Pro for a month, and I hope it can help you decide whether or not this product is worth buying. First of all, if you really want to buy IQ Blast Pro, be very careful about the website you buy it from, because there are a lot of scammers on the internet selling copies and fakes of the product. So if you want to buy it, only buy it from the manufacturer's official website. And to help you out, I'll leave the link to the official IQ Blast Pro manufacturer's website below in the description of this video or in the first comment, so don't forget to check it out as soon as you finish this video, okay? IQ Blast Pro was the best investment I made for my mental health, but at first I was very hesitant to buy it. However, when I went online to research this supplement, I saw that many people had used IQ Blast Pro and the results were very positive, so I thought it could work for me too, and it really did. What I really liked about IQ Blast Pro is that it's made with natural ingredients and is very simple to use. Just take the recommended dose daily, and it starts to act effectively in the body. Used correctly, IQ Blast Pro will be able to improve cognitive function, increase memory and focus, and even reduce mental fatigue, all without causing side effects. IQ Blast Pro is so incredibly powerful that its effects have been reported to be effective in people of different ages and conditions, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for reliable mental and cognitive support. Welcome to CapCut Commerce Pro. Let's create something amazing together. But be very wary of what they say on the internet about IQ Blast Pro, saying that you'll get results very quickly when in fact, a lot depends on you doing the treatment correctly and taking it every day for it